Morning YouTubers, today I'm here with a review of Miui 11.1 by Xiaomi EU 9.11.7 for Poco F1 based on Android 10. So there aren't many major changes to this one um, from 9.10.31 for which I already reviewed in my previous video which I posted last week, and I'll be sharing the link of that one in the description. However, there are few changes which have been made, such as there were few devices. We actually got the October security patch, so that doesn't matter much. Then there's a MIUI 11 design for deep clean, Google option for global search, Google search and Google voice search for the search bar, dark mode support for Google feed, private DNS setting. Then there is fixed call suspension, notification and status bar prompt overlap when repairing non-lock screen. So let me just quickly walk you through what all has changed. Now the Google option for the search bar, let's take a look here. And so search provider, so you'll find this under home screen. Just go to the search provider and you'll see Google. Alright, now if you swipe up, you'll see Google search here, right? And now the other change is that there is a dark mode for Google feed. So let's see. It at times takes a couple of tries to for the Google feed to become dark. Oh, here it is. It has been changed right away. Another option is so there isn't much in this one. However, there are few things to note here. This ROM by default it comes with magisk kernel. I tried that. There were boot loops, there were freezes, and I faced those issues, so I decided to flash the Arter kernel release 11 for Android Q for beryllium, and it seems to be working fine right now. There haven't been any freezes or hangups. Also, voice assistant, it's not registering my voice. So if you go to Google Assistant, you go to Assistant, you go to Phone. Now if you do voice match, it'll be fine for now. And this is the error that I'm getting every time I'm trying to access this. Camera, it seems to be working fine. Alright, now if I go to portrait, let me just check. I'll take a picture of this one. Alright, now you can see it's blurred out in the background, and the mug is in focus. So camera seems to work. I have the fingerprint option as well. So for me, fingerprint has been working from day one. That's not an issue. And yep, these are the minor changes in this one. If you are okay with not having a Google Assistant, I think you can go ahead and flash it. But I won't rely too much on the magisk kernel because I faced too many freezes and reboots. If you want to try, I'll post the link of the Arter kernel in the description. You can try that out. Thank you and have a great day.